We are at the RV Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana, and I am so excited to be here. I've wanted to come here for years.
Yeah, we're really lucky because we're getting a personal tour from the president of the Hall of Fame. So let's go inside and meet him.
All right.
Hey, welcome Jennifer and Mike.
Hey, great to see you. Great to be here. Great to be here.
Well, thanks for coming.
Well, it's good to be here.
All right.
I can't wait to see you.
It's over this way.
This is a new Shasta that reminds me of a 1972 Shasta that we had many years ago.
This is a 1974 GMC. GMC only made this motorhome for 5 years, 74, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And it was just an unbelievable design. It was built on a Cadillac front-wheel drive. It has 6 wheels on it. In the back, instead of being tandem, they're one in front of the other one. And this was thought to be the motorhome when it come out. And personally, I thought it would maybe give Winnebago a run for their money, but Winnebago's still around, and GMC never built another one after 1978. Okay, what we have right here is a 1977 GMC, restored outside and inside, a $500,000 restoration. But you need to look at the inside of this unit because they spared no cost. Just look at this little wine cooler. Isn't that incredible?
This is absolutely beautiful. Quality all the way. They spared no expense when they restored this.
Not only do we have RVs from the past and the present and so forth, but to build an RV you need a lot of suppliers, and this is the supplier section that we have here. We have Blue Ox, which is tow bars. We have Dometic. We even have KOA campgrounds. We have Bedford, which is toilets, and just a host of also Odin generators. Just a host of suppliers here as well, and these are year-round booths that they have in here.
Look at the quality of the woodwork in this. This is stunning.
This one right here, as far as the interior goes and the woodwork, is just unbelievable, and I've had, well, not hundreds, but certainly tens or more of people trying to buy this from the museum, and of course it's not for sale, but it's just unbelievable interior. Okay, this is really something from 1928. It's the Pierce Arrow Auto Company started building motorhomes, and they only built 3 motorhomes, and the stock market crashed, and they never built another motorhome. They did build some trailers after that, but they only built 3 of these, and we don't even know where the other 2 are. So this may be the only one in existence today, and it has an extremely high appraisal value on it. It's just wonderful. The mark of every Pierce Arrow was a little butt base you could put a rose in, and it always went right up in the front, just on the left side of the windshield here. But their automobiles had it as well as the RV, so it was one of their trademarks.
In 1931, Paramount Pictures wanted to lure vaudeville star Mae West off the vaudeville scene and to make movies for him. So as an enticement, they had Chevrolet build this special lounge for her. They didn't call it a camper, they called it a lounge. She liked it, and she started making movies.
This is the 1939 Lindbergh, built for Charles Lindbergh, and he used it himself.
Everybody's talking these days about teardrops. Well, they've been around at least since 1957.
Ah, a privacy curtain. Closes right off. This is a 1954 Holiday Rambler. There's a bed down below, and check this out, up above, 2 cots.
Zagelmeyer in Michigan was one of the first to patent pop-up campers. He was in business from 1922 to 1930, and I popped this one up myself, and it's really incredible the way that it popped up, but he actually had a patent on it.
This is the 1935 covered wagon trailer. In 1935, covered wagon was the most popular trailer on the road. In fact, the plant that made these turned out as many as 45 to 50 every day. Here's the first Class C. I remember our first camper. It was a Coleman pop-up camper, and that was back in the 80s. We thought we were so with it and trendy, but look at this. It doesn't have anything. This is its great-grandfather. Same thing. It's a pop-up.
We're looking at all these new outdoor kitchens that we're seeing. Everybody's thinking they're so trendy. Look at this from 1916. We're really going back.
Contrary to what most people think about RVing, it started well over 100 years ago. This is a 1913 Model T Ford convertible, and it's pulling a 1913 travel trailer, Earl travel trailer made in California on a production line. Thought to be the very first production RV in the United States.
Henry Ford himself may have used this.
It's very possible. And it's, I'll tell you, it's restored, it's authentic. You could put it in your living room. It's beautiful. Just 3 years after the 1913, this Model T here, pickup truck, become the first motorhome, and it actually has what they called a telescoping apartment in those days, and it had a triple slide out on it, which was quite incredible those days. And you know, if you wanted to take a hot shower in those days, you just hung your bag over the radiator here, filled it with water, probably out of a stream or whatever, hung it on the radiator with the engine running, and you'd have your hot water, and you could hang it up in the limb of a tree and take your shower under it.
1916.
1916.
That was time well spent. And if you enjoy RVing, you're going to love this place.
I had no idea that the history was that rich, 105 years. Hey, we're Mike and Janet for Wagon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our RV Lifestyle channel right here on YouTube. Bye-bye, everybody.